शिवांगी और आज मैं आ पहुंची हूँ इंडिया कुटोर वीक के डे 2 में। अब आज का दिन बेहद खास है क्योंकि आज दो शोज एक साथ हैं। फर्स्ट शो इज बाय ईशा जजोडिया दूसरा शो है सुनीत वर्मा का। लेकिन शो शुरू होने से पहले जानते हैं डिजाइनर्स से कि उनकी थीम क्या है।
Isha, the night was so amazing. Okay, but what was the inspiration behind all of your looks?
Love. Love for self, love for the higher self, love for the woman you are.
And what was your favorite part about the look?
You know, everything is so special. It's just taken us 6 months of literally putting our life on hold to put this show together. So every single stitch, thread, every emotion, everything is very special. You being here is very special. I mean, I'm just overwhelmed. Thank you so much.
As Tara Sutaria was the showstopper, what was the special thing about her look?
So what Tara is wearing is I wanted to present a woman who is very modern and very chic, which is the corset she wore is the 18-karat gold-plated corset. It took us, as I said, it took us 5 months to kind of work on that and finally get it right. And we did not want the embroideries and how the couture in India is taken with it's all about embroidery. So we wanted to break free from that norm. So I think, that was
Do you think the bridal couture will stand out in the world?
well, now and always. And the way FDCI is, my God, the way they are giving the platform to the emerging talent, it's definitely going to put India on map.
And can you please describe your look as well?
Yeah, this is something which I love. The sculpted proof skirts, there's a corset, I like the little sheerness, so it's the pastels and the ivory and the pearls and the woman I am, so it's just about that, yeah.
And what can we expect the next after this bridal couture?
Let's let that unfold.
That white as a color, ivory, gold, the colors that I'm sort of embodying this evening are very special to me. They're colors that I enjoy wearing. I think lace in essence is very feminine, it's very flirty, it's fabulous, it's fun, it's young, it's actually for all age groups, it's not just young. And I think that that's a wonderful incorporation in what I'm wearing. I love the fact that I'm wearing a corset as well. I think it's very flattering for every body type. It makes me feel very feminine and very charming, and I think that's what Isha's designs always stand for: elegance and effortless charm.
This collection is all about love, whispers of love to myself, the version I was earlier and the woman I am today. And I think the boldest choice I made this season was not to really do too much embroidery and let the beauty of the lace and the purity and the fluidity highlight. And something like this, the corset she's wearing, it's something, it took almost 5 months for us to make this. So it's very, very special. And I wanted the modern bride to be very cool and breaking the norms and be very fun and edgy and something she owns and something she cherishes. And I thought Tara is a beautiful, elegant, sophisticated girl. She's a perfect Rosary Muse. So here she is. Thank you all of you to be here. Thank you.
काफ़ी नर्वस रहती थी पहले, लेकिन दिस इज़ माई 22nd टाइम एज शो स्टॉपर। और जब भी मैं दिल्ली आती हूँ मुझे बहुत सारा प्यार मिलता है, आई थिंक फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस, यू नो, व्हेन आई एम वॉकिंग एज शो स्टॉपर, एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम पीपल इन जनरल। तो मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है जब मैं दिल्ली आती हूँ। और आई हैव हैड सच अ बॉल वर्किंग विद ईशा। तो ऑनेस्टली टुडे माई प्रेप बिफोर वॉकिंग वाज, मैं ओल्ड फैशन गाने सुन रही थी फ्रॉम द 50s and 60s. I think that's the mood of the evening, old fashioned, charming, romance, love. So I think that was the vibe for me this evening. Many favorite things. I'm wearing my favorite color, ivory, off-white, white, and I love lace. And I love the fact that I'm in a corset. I think I feel very confident and very feminine and very rose room. Love is everything. I think it's the one universal thing that all of us share. Human beings, it's one thing that we do have in common. And I think we need it now more than ever in the world. So I'm happy to stand for love this evening for Rose Room.
तो हमने देखा ईशा जजोड़िया का शो, पेस्टल कलर से लेके लेसी कॉर्सेट सब कुछ देखने को मिला। अब इसी बात पर चलते हैं अगले शो की तरफ, विच इज बाय सुनीत वर्मा। सुनीत वर्मा के लिए शो स्टॉपर बनी रिद्धिमा कपूर, एंड जैसा कि सुनीत ने बताया, उन्होंने उनका आउटफिट 8 मंथ्स में तैयार किया। उनके लिए पर्सनलाइज आउटफिट उन्होंने तैयार किया।
Women don't feel comfortable if they are being weighed down by very heavy clothes. They don't like it, you know. So, as I call them jokingly, Zardozi Tikozis. They don't like it. They want to wear something light and chic and airy and that moves well, that, you know, that they can dance in the whole night, you know, have fun with. So we actually take a huge effort to make things that are actually almost weightless. Well, I think, you know, I know her so well. So I know she will not wear something that's very heavy. I know she will not wear something that's very elaborate or with a big trail, you know, or anything that's too revealing. It's not her style. It's not her style. So when you have a muse like her and you actually, you know, literally invite someone like her to actually be your muse, you have to also respect what they like and what they dress like, because I meet her otherwise as well. So I know she wanted to be light and airy, and she said to me, she said, oh, I want to twirl. You know, I said, please do, because she can. The show took 8 months. The show took 8 months. between the set and between the music and between the clothes, yeah, it took 8 months to do this.
Dreamy, it's enchanting, it's a gentle spell woven in couture. I feel stunning. In fact, when I wore the outfit, the first word that came to my mind was, Suneet, it's stun. And I think this word stayed with him, and I still feel, I feel absolutely beautiful. So thank you, Suneet. In fact, yes. The first time I ever set foot on a ramp 18 years ago was for Suneet, and here I am 18 years after, walking again for Suneet. I think it's really light and it's very wearable, and I could run in this. So I twirled in it. If you saw me, it was just very comfortable. And at the same time, it's gorgeous. So yeah, everything about this look I love.
अब बात करते हैं रिद्धिमा कपूर की बेटी और उनके हस्बैंड से, जानते हैं कि उनके अंदर क्या इमोशंस चल रहे थे। हमारा कैसा लगा आपको जब आपने अपनी मम्मी को रैंप पर वॉक करते हुए देखा?
So I think compared to like
all the models were so beautiful. My mom's outfit was so pretty and different than all the other models, but the models, like, they were stunning. Their outfits were beautiful. So I feel like all the collections that Suneet Verma makes is really pretty, and like everything, whether it's you know, a large dress or a gown, I feel like it's really pretty, like all of it. So I feel like I really like it, and it's really nice. And watching my mom in front of a lot of people, I feel like that is just an amazing experience, and I feel like I really enjoy that. And hopefully one day, which I'm not sure if I don't know, maybe because I'm not that confident right now, but maybe in the future, if I can be a model, I can walk for I can like be on that runway. So
Well, you sure can be. But what, you know, which dress was your favorite and you would like to walk in that on the ramp?
So I really like, so my mom's dress, of course, that was gorgeous. But also I really enjoy looking at the other outfits, especially when, you know, like the white, like the elegant, the short ones. I feel like that is also a stunning look, which I would love to wear one day.
And sir, आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत बढ़िया लगा। रिधिमा ने पहली बार सुनीत वर्मा के शो पे वॉक किया था 18 years ago. So coming back 18 years later, it's amazing to watch her again in his beautiful creations. And she still looks the same, if not better. So we are really proud. And it was a beautiful show. Collection was amazing. And also, the models did a very fantastic job. Some of the models we've been seeing for 25 years. Like Sapna and a few other models. So they did a fantastic job. And like Samara said, ये बचपन से जब भी फैशन शो पे जाती है, इसकी एक ही विश रहती है कि one day मैं भी वॉक करूँ. So
Mom, I feel like I can't even be compared to my mom because she's just too good, and I feel like she's just so talented, and she's amazing at everything. She's amazing at everything that she does.
So hopefully it won't be another 18 years before we get to see Ridhima walking for Suneet.
Which designer do you want Samara to walk?
Suneet, of course.
Of course.
Yeah, Ridhima
The
started.
outfits, I would love an outfit from Suneet Verma. So.
So Ridhima started with Suneet, so I think it'll be great if Samara also starts with Suneet.
हमने समारा और उनके डैडी से बात तो कर ली, अब चलते हैं डायरेक्टली टू रिधिमा कपूर और जानते हैं उनके अंदर क्या इमोशंस चल रहे थे।
So my husband is here, my daughter is here, all my friends were here to cheer me on, and yeah, I've had the best time.
And what's your favorite thing about the look?
About this look, what I'm wearing, I think it's very, this is something that I would wear if I went out to a wedding, if I went to a party, you know, to a Diwali party, or you know, wherever. So it's very wearable, and it's something that is, I just love it. It's beautiful.
It's old school. So did it remind you of Rishi and Neetu Kapoor's era?
The whole, I mean, well, no, not necessarily, because it was, I mean, I was too focused on, you know, on the show and everything. It didn't really take me back. I didn't feel nostalgic, if that's what you're asking me.
And lastly, can you please tell your fitness secret?
Well, if you do follow me on Instagram, you see I do a lot of yoga. So if you don't, then follow me. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Ridhima. Thank you so much.
कुट्योर वीक का डे 2 एंड खास इसलिए था जैसा कि मैंने कहा इसमें 2 शोज थे, दोनों शोज के कलेक्शन हमने आपको दिखाए, बट डोंट वरी ये बस ट्रेलर था, पिक्चर अभी पूरी बाकी है क्योंकि हम आते रहेंगे और भी ऐसे शोज के साथ, तो बने रहे इंडिया टीवी के साथ।